Hi, everybody. It's Nicholas Yale, designated broker over at Brokers Hub Realty and your favorite realtor. Hey, wanted to talk to you about the wonderful things that you do at your house in the backyard. Not those kind of things. Don't get too weird. It's the lighting. And as we all know that you need to have good lighting so that you can look younger. Lighting also gives you shiny spots and your bald spots on your head. But lighting can also be beautiful, like candlelight dinners for romantic evenings. But what you do in your backyard can make your backyard really look great. So if you have some uplighting from the trees or lights hanging down from the trees, up the walls, really, a couple $100 and some patio lights can really make your backyard sing. So down below is some tips on how to do that. If you need contractors to help you do it, I know people, so just ask. And I hope you're having a good June and that you're still washing your hands and swimming in pools and having a good life. So see you later. Have a great June. Bye.